Navigate to the Notes section, and you'll see all your recent notes displayed. That's everything in one place. Need to start fresh notes for a new rotation? Just create a new note, select the subject, or create a new one, and name it. Maybe NeuroShelf Exam Prep, or Microbiology Bugs and Drugs, whatever helps you stay organized. Once you're in your new note, you've got complete freedom. Use it for free-running lecture notes, patient case write-ups, or building comprehensive study guides from scratch. The text box tool is perfect for typing out those important definitions your attending keeps peppering you with during rounds. Made a mistake? No problem. Use undo, redo without losing your flow. Your notes automatically get organized by subject, so when Step 1 studying comes around, all your pathology notes are in one place, pharmacology in another. Just use the drop-down to filter by subject and find exactly what you need. And here's the secret weapon. You can generate flashcards directly from your notes. Turn your carefully crafted notes into active study tools with one click. Perfect for spaced repetition during those precious minutes between patients or on your commute. No more juggling between your lecture PDFs, handwritten notes, and random flashcard apps. Acolyte keeps everything in one place, just like how you wish your brain worked during exams.